Welcome back, folks. Today we are diving into the world of opulence and sophistication with the focus on luxury modern kitchens. These spaces have transcended their utilitarian roots to become the heart of a home, combining cutting edge technology with exquisite design. So, let's embark on a journey to discover what makes these kitchens the epitome of elegance. A hallmark of a luxury modern kitchen is the incorporation of top of the line appliances, from smart refrigerators with built in touch screens to professional grade cooktops. These kitchens are equipped with the latest in culinary technology. Imagine precision controlled ovens and integrated coffee makers. These appliances not only enhance functionality but also add a touch of glamour to your culinary endeavors. In a luxury modern kitchen, every inch is meticulously planned and optimized. Custom cabinetry takes center stage, offering not only ample storage but also a seamless aesthetic. These cabinets often feature innovative solutions like soft close mechanisms, pull out shelves, and hidden compartments. With a focus on clean lines and minimalistic designs, they exude a sense of understated luxury that complements the overall space. Luxury modern kitchens are a testament to the use of premium materials and finishes. Think marble or quartz countertops, exotic hardwood flooring, and statement lighting fixtures. These elements not only elevate the visual appeal but also contribute to the overall functionality and durability of the space. The interplay of textures and colors create a harmonious environment that exudes elegance and sophistication. The integration of smart home technology is a defining feature of a luxury modern kitchen. Imagine controlling your lighting, climate, and appliances with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Smart refrigerators can create shopping lists, while intelligent freezers dispense precise amount of water. These advancements not only enhance convenience but also offer a glimpse into the future of kitchen design. Thanks.